Hey guys, it's Emmanuel here, the Enthusiastic Coder, and Happy New Year, even though it's 5 days later, on the 5th of January. I hope you like my new display. It's a lot more better, I changed a lot of it, and yeah, I hope you like it. And also, today is going to be a scratch video, and it's a 4th episode, and it's going to teach you guys how to animate using movement. So we learned how to use movement and we learned how to animate while talking. So now we're gonna animate while the character is moving. So I'm so excited to do it. Let's get into it. Now let us begin. So let us name this animating with movement. Animating with movement. Perfect. So now, as always, you need to start with a green flag clicked. So now, because we're not doing anything too serious, this is just like a tutorial, we won't really need when green flag clicked something. But just to be sure, and just to always add green flags, add the when green flag clicked and the show. If you want to know what the show button does, watch my Learning Scratch Properly episode 3 video, because that shows what show blocks are and many more things. So now we have the show, meaning that when we start, it'll show the cat. Okay, so now the first thing we need to do is that we'll go to motion. Motion basically makes the sprite move and makes the sprite do things. So when we press the move 10 blocks, it's going to make the cat move 10 blocks. But now, as we learned in my movement video, which is in episode 2, we controlled how it moves. So now what we do is that we go to an events and we'll do a when space key pressed. But now we don't want it to be the space key. So what we'll do instead is that we'll make it, let's make it right arrow and move 10 steps. So when we press the right arrow key, it moves it 10 steps. But now when I press the right arrow, the cat goes left. So now what we need to do is that we'll go to motion and we'll put a point and direction block. Start it. Boom. Perfect. And now we have that done. When it does that, when you press the right button, it's gonna make the cat move right in 10 steps. And now, what's the point of the animating? We want to animate this because when we move it, it doesn't do anything. It's idle. So now when we go to costumes, we'll see that there's a second animation, which is actually the first costume, but now it's on the second one. And yeah, we want to make it go from first to second, like this. So now what we'll do, it's now at first, and it'll still be like that. We'll go to looks. And basically what this is, these are costumes. So now we are in costume 1. So we'll tap on this and then choose costume 1. And then we'll pull another costume, but wait, we need to add a weight block. So now we'll go to control and add a weight block. Let's just say 0.1 seconds, because if we do 0.5 or 1, that'll be a bit slow. So now we have this. So basically what is happening now is that it's now pointing in this direction, and when it moves 10 steps, it will do that when you press the right button. And it will switch, it'll have the original costume, and then it'll wait 0.1 seconds, and then show the second costume, which does this. So now it does this. So now that's basically animating from left to right using the animations. So let us do, what happens if you want to do it the other way? Because there is no left button to press it. So basically, if you want to be real lazy, I'll just duplicate this. Because when you duplicate it, it makes your life like a whole lot easier. So you don't have to handpick it again. So instead of doing right arrow pressed, you'll do left arrow pressed. And instead of pointing 90 degrees, you'll point 180 or minus 90 degrees. So now it'll be like this. And yeah, that's basically left and right. And now let us do something cooler, because now we have the basic left and right. What happens if the cat's flying? Okay, let me go through that. So basically, let us just duplicate this. And now, instead of using this sprite, we shall use the flying cat sprite. Okay, so I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. So right here, see there's another one. So we'll take this away and we'll go to costumes. Then we'll choose a costume. Go to cat. You'll have to do this twice if you want to get both animations. But okay, let's just delete this. And then go here. Cat. B. I don't think we'll use this. Maybe we will for when it goes up, because it's part of animating. So now we'll duplicate this. And this will go up. And this will go down. So now let us change to costume A. So now we have the right. Okay, maybe we should not show this one. Okay. So when you go right, yeah, it does this. There is no costume switch. So we'll go, when it goes left, it also does this. What happens if we want it to go up and down? So we'll do up here for the up, because it's 0, so it's going to be going up like this. And down will be, I think, 180. Yes. We'll also go down. So let us change this. We won't need this because there is only one proper animation. Boom. So now let us change this to B, because B is a flying, no, wrong one. Let us go to up. We should also take this away. A, B. Okay. And now it starts flying. And yeah, that's basically how you do flying. Let us add a very nice backdrop. So the nice part about animating is that it's pretty easy, especially on Scratch. So whenever you want to animate something, it won't be that hard, which is just really awesome. Outdoors, see if there's any good ones. And let's just go very basic, blue sky. Wait, ooh. Arctic, just for the fun of it. So it's loading. Yes, and now we have basic flying. Woo! Okay, now let's get to the outro. And yeah, that's the entire video. I just found out that when I filmed the intro, I didn't show the proper view of this, because you're actually supposed to see it like this, where you can see the DS bottom and top. That's how I know when I filmed it right. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so glad that I got to show you that animating. And also comment down below what you want me to do next, because actually I feel like I'm running dry on making tutorials and it's only the 4th episode. But yeah, please comment down below because I want to see what you guys actually want me to do, Please don't make it hard, because even though I do teach it, I'm not like a master at it. But yeah, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe if you want to. And remember, have a good day. Peace.